Ever wonder how one of these neck massagers works and what's inside one of these things? We're going to open this one up because it's not working right. You can hear that there's some gears that are broken or disconnected. On the back there's 4 screws. We'll pull all the screws out and remove the back. Overall we have some pretty burly construction in here. The actual massagers are like a bent shaft or an offset shaft. We'll turn it on and take a look at how this stuff works. If we look straight on, you can see how this is offset and works. We've got a pretty strong AC motor with some gear reduction. This black box is the capacitor that starts the AC motor. When I put tension on here, it seems like everything's functioning properly. Maybe it just wasn't bolted into the housing properly. Here I can see the problem. This little plastic boss broke off here, and we have another one that's broken off here. And as I look at it, there's actually 5 that are completely broken. To keep everything steady, we've got 4 ball bearings, 2 on this side, 2 on the back. Off the shaft, we have a worm gear in the middle and then a pinion gear on either side. Back of the motor, we have a fan to keep everything cool. That's what's inside of a neck massager.